तो हो जाता।
मदन जी वो चलाइए अपनी वीडियो।
हाँ चलाता हूँ, 1 मिनट।
हाँ बढ़िया बढ़िया।
हर जी ये चीज पूछ रहा था मैं
हाँ जी।
कि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट माइंड, से वी आर 4 पर्सन्स, है ना, एक आदमी का माइंड ठीक काम नहीं कर रहा है, तो फॉर दैट वन मैन देयर इज नो साउंड, फॉर अदर्स देयर इज साउंड, isn't it?
Okay, let me explain that one also.
हाँ,
Let others join a little bit. अभी प्रभात आ
and
गए।
हाँ
and similarly there may be some species who may understand that vibration.
Yes.
Then sound is relative term. For some it is there, for some it is not there.
The sound itself does not exist.
He's saying there is a vibration exists.
What exists is an interpretation of the vibration as sound.
It becomes sound only when it is interpreted.
When it is in your head,
then it is sound.
Then it is sound. राम विनोद जी आपकी वीडियो ऑन कीजिएगा।
Oh, I think I have not missed anything.
No, you have not missed anything.
Okay.
ठीक है ना? So the idea is basically just to point out that our world, because each and every one of us experiencing a world of our own, and that the experience of the world of our own is just an interpretation of our own. अभी सेम क्वेश्चन को if I ask you color के हिसाब से, if I say that there is no color outside in the world, it's all in your head, is that true? Scientifically, yes, it is true. You see what happens when the light falls on an object.
It's a reflection of that object.
Some wavelength of the light get absorbed and some wavelength of the lights get reflected. Then this reflected light falls on our eyes. It goes through our nerve system into our brain.
Yep.
And the brain says this particular range of wavelength is red. And that particular wavelength is blue. So it's an interpretation now starts in the head. Outside, there is no red color. It's only a surface which will reflect a particular range of wavelength of light. That's all. And that's why a dog cannot see red, because he's colorblind. He sees a different shade of gray. But because our mechanism, our instrument is such that it can convert it into a interpretation which to make it different. So it says, okay, it's red. So again, the color exists only in the head. It does not exist outside. Outside is just the wavelength of the light. So the idea is that we have a mechanism, a tool. The brain is a tool, a physical tool. And that's why if the tool is different in different species, or even in the same species, if the tool is different, then the interpretation is going to be different. Even some people are colorblind because the tool is different. Some people, as they grow old, they stop hearing things because the tool is now different. Right? But anyway, this was just an introduction to what Maya is, what is happening outside, and how we can actually then control it. Instead of seeing what our mind and brain is showing us, we can go above it and start seeing what really is and how we can utilize that in our life. But anyway, we'll slowly get to that point also. So the space का भी हो गया कि भाई space वो है, it cannot be infinite.
It's finite.
It is finite. It cannot be infinite, right? It cannot be. It cannot be ever present. In an unmanifested state of Brahman, the space cannot exist.
Just एक प्रश्न है.
हाँ जी.
Brahman. Brahman. Huh? So this is the all starting point.
Yes.
Yep.
How do we define Brahman?
We cannot. You see, we can only
Cannot.
think that maybe we are defining Brahman, but we cannot. Mind is not capable
Capable of defining.
Can,
of defining it.
yeah, it is beyond of that.
It is beyond mind. But we use the term and we try to at least explain it in such a manner. Okay, but we say, yeah, there is something which we can call
Correct.
Brahman.
Correct.
That's why
There is something which is beyond imagination also.
गीता में इसीलिए वो श्लोक आते हैं, दूसरे चैप्टर में ही आ जाते हैं. This is achintya. It cannot be thought of. Achintya. In the second chapter itself, he has declared it.
Achintya. Huh?
Yeah.
So you mean to say, Arjun,
हाँ जी.
मैं ये कह रहा था, जैसे sound, because our mind don't absorb the sound, so it is no, there is no sound. Similarly, because space is not in our mind, so it is not there. You mean to say this thing?
What we may be experiencing as space may not be the true space.
Yep.
That's what I'm saying.
Just similar to sound, as you mentioned about sound,
Exactly.
same thing apply for space, isn't it?
Exactly. What I'm trying to say is the universe as we experience it may not be the real universe which
Real
exists
one.
outside.
Right.
And that's what that experience of वो जो हम enlightenment and self-realization की जो बात करते हैं ना, that's where it goes.
Yep.
तो आपकी बात वहीं पहुंच जाती है, अहम ब्रह्मास्मि.
अहम ब्रह्मास्मि जब होगा, जब
ब्रह्म
वो
तभी है जब हम है तो ब्रह्म है, वरना ब्रह्म भी नहीं है.
नहीं,
ऐसा
ब्रह्म
नहीं,
इसलिए हम है.
ऐसा नहीं है.
मतलब both are same.
वो जो
No, once you realize that, then you become one.
जो
Yes.
जो
Enlightenment के बाद.
जो अहम ब्रह्मास्मि का जो सेंटेंस है ना, ये अहम ब्रह्मास्मि, जब उसका एक्सपीरियंस होता है तो वो एक्सपीरियंस में से अहम निकल जाता है.
हाँ, ब्रह्म रह जाता है सिर्फ.
वो सिर्फ अस्मि रह जाता है.
सही बात.
तो वो सब एक डिस्कशन के लिए, एक एक्सप्लेनेशन और एक लर्निंग के लिए हम बोलते हैं अहम ब्रह्मास्मि.
Yes.
नहीं, दूसरा हर्ष, दूसरा वाला भी एक है ना, महावाक्य तत्वमसि. You are that source of infinite love, peace, contentment, and happiness. You are. So, in other words, you are, because of the ignorance, we are not able to recognize our true nature. And that's why we are wandering around like a headless chicken, sorry.
हर जी जो अपन जो डिस्कस कर रहे हैं,
हाँ जी।
प्रैक्टिकल यूटिलिटी ये बनती है कि व्हेन एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट काल्पनिक, मिथ्या, then whatever we find in the world, that is all illusive, delusion. So we should not run after the worldly gains because they are not there, isn't it?
नहीं
The
नहीं,
conclusion
नहीं,
comes to that point.
नहीं, वो this is exactly why we are discussing this.
yep.
The point is that there is something which is real, and that real we are not able to see or experience today. And the point is that we should be able to move towards it so we can experience and see it. What is that real? Satya kya hai? So that the whole purpose of the spiritual journey is to move from the asatya, that is unreal, to satya, that is real.
Yep.
And all this discussion is slowly going to show what is asatya. And then when you will remove asatya, then you will see the real.
Asatya is for say Maya, but Maya is also coming from the Satya.
Maya
That is the
is,
power of the Satya.
you see, this will become a very complex discussion. Maya means that is not, but appears to be.
But originate from the Satya, originate from Satya,
But
originate from the real.
If it originates, then it is. It does not originate. It only appears to originate. That is the definition of Maya. It only appears as if it is there. It is not there. आपका जो dream है, is there an existence of the dream?
No, it is not there.
But it is true when you are dreaming.
For time being, it is real. For time being, it is real.
So until when you are dreaming it, you can sweat. You can feel fearful. You can feel the emotion of the dream. It at that time it is true. It is satya, but it is not.
We have nightfall only due to dream.
मतलब कहने का ये कि this discussion will go very complex.
It's very deep.
Very complex. So let's not go and make it complex. Let's make it simple.
Right.
ठीक है ना? Complexity की problem ये हो जाती है कि we start making it a philosophy, a discussion. Simplicity का ये होता है कि we start making it our own.
Ultimately, so everything is a manifestation of the same real. Huh? You and I, everything that world exists in this universe, including you and me, is a manifestation of the same real, which is Brahman.
ठीक है, तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं थोड़ा सा.
Yeah, that's better.
The third question was just to point out the limitation of the mind one more time. The third question was describe the smell of rose. And that is the question which basically says you cannot describe it, you have to experience it. There is only one way if I have never smelled rose, there is only one way I will know it. By actually smelling it.
So, Harsh, are you saying discovering it? Because how can you experience yourself? Your true nature is what you are. You have to discover that.
You see, जो हमारी जो discussion है वो different layers पे चले जाते हैं हम.
Right.
जब हम इस बात को बात कर रहे हैं कि भाई some things can only be experienced and they cannot be learnt by mind, then we are talking at a different layer. But when we talk about who discovers, the real sentence I would say is that if you take a journey of many lifetimes to discover yourself, you will realize, first thing you will realize, that you never had to take that journey because you're always there.
Mhm.
But that realization that you were always there, it comes only after you have taken the journey. So our discussion will go in the journey, and then it will reach you are there. But we cannot combine these two. We cannot say journey के discussion में हम real की बात कर लें कि you are always there, या हम real you are always there की बात करें but हमें समझ ही ना आए कि उसका मतलब क्या है. So we can't do both of these things. So we have to go slowly, and at each layer, each area. See, when you are playing the game of hockey, the rules you follow are of the game of hockey. If you play cricket, the rules are of cricket. I cannot say I will play hockey with a bat. Although it may even look like a stick, may look like to somebody like a bat, but it is not a bat, it is a hockey. So the discussion, when we are talking discussion of hockey, then we will talk hockey. We'll talk about cricket, then we'll talk about bat. But we will not mix it. Idea is not to discuss. Idea is to really bring it to us. Idea is not to say the Brahm is there. Idea is to bring it to us and say Brahm is here. The simplicity is the fastest way of self-realization. But the mind, the intellect, the nature of the intellect is to make it complex. So we have to be warned and be alert that when the mind or in the intellect wants to make it complex, we have to bring it back and we say, no, it is simple. Keep it simple. हमारे शास्त्रों में तो सिंपल लाइफ को जीने के लिए जो बात करते हैं, that is one of the reasons for it. You live simply. Only problem is कि some people think कि live simply means कि भाई outside simple होना चाहिए, घर छोटा हो चलेगा, हट चलेगी, खाना में 2 चीजें होंगी चलेगी. That is not the simplicity that they are talking about. They are talking about simplicity of thought, the simplicity of heart, that you can simply love everybody. Simply. That is the real simplicity. So that simplicity has to be inside. That I can simply love everything and everyone. Just like a child. अभी थोड़ा झगड़ा हुआ दूसरे बच्चे के साथ में और 2 मिनट के बाद में फिर से हंसते खेलने लगे. But as we grow old, आज झगड़ा हो जाए सारी जिंदगी याद रहेगा. That simplicity of the child, heart of the child, इसीलिए हम कहते हैं प्योर होता है ना. That simplicity. But it doesn't mean कि बुद्धि को आपने वो किनारे रख देने का है. बुद्धि has to be used.